Hey guys, AJ Catanzaro here to talk about my favorite boot at the moment, the Fox Instinct. I also wear the Fox Motion. If I'm at class, I'll wear a Fox Motion, which is more of their mid-tier boot. The Instinct, what I like about it personally is it has enough flexion to be able to get your feet where you want them and to drop your heels the way we talk about the Moto Academy, really sinking your heels down. But you also have the protection and you feel safe in them. I was coming off the Alpine Star Tech 10s, and with the Tech 10s, I felt maybe 10% more safe, but I also maybe had 20% less feel. So again, a little bit of preference here. These have a little detail on the toe box that just helps grip the bike with the toe. And these boots were really designed with like footwork in mind. They were tested with Roxon, who has amazing footwork. I've had the chance to kind of test some of these myself as well. I'm obsessed with them. Obsessed with them. I've worn them for the last few years. One of the first questions I always get asked about boots is, how long do these boots last for? I'm on the balls of my feet all the time, so I have a consistent wear point, and the soles could probably last me a solid 60 to 80 hours of riding. That's at a pro level. If you go to MotoSport.com, you can check out the Motions and the Instincts, or for that matter, you can check out the Alpine Star Tech 10s if you want. But right now, Fox Instinct is my boot of choice.